was his thing.
He liked the booze, the moonshine.
Of course he did. Sounds like a real piece of something.
He's local because he got it locally.
Yeah. But they went to church, though.
That door is
It's
closing.
moving.
Oh!
Like, it's closing with force. Like,
Go ahead and close
maybe
it.
shove it out of the way.
I'll move.
Okay.
Shut it out of the way.
Now, Derek.
Okay, let's try this again. I'm going to open the door. You're safe for this.
Yeah, we're fun to hang out with. The signal still good?
Yes.
A big one person watching.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, dear. Now, if you did close that, could you do it again for us? We'd appreciate it. Takes a lot of energy for you to do it. God.
Does it find me?
That's, what's his name? Super tall.
Does it find me?
Up there, just like chilling. I forget. How you? Yeah, it's like you.
Yeah, I know
Cause it's
it.
flip. Cause this is flip. So yeah, that's the other side. So yeah, it's right how you. So
He was like 6'1" or 6'2".
And he is persistent.
Yes, he is.
you like that? Cause it's not on that side, so it's connected flip around. It's around there.
nothing said, does
You're going to shut the door again for us? That was you that shut it. Can you do it again for us?